Hello, I'm Marcus, and welcome to another Weekend Projects. Today, we're building game show buttons. Not only is this a fun project to build, but it's also functional. In fact, it'll bring the excitement of a live game show to your living room. The way it works is the first person to hit their button will light up their LED and lock out the other player. It's a race to hit the button first! Now all you need to know is, well, the answer. All we're going to need for today's project are a pair of wire strippers and these parts. Click the link below to go to Make Projects to find a full list of parts and step-by-step instructions. Let's get our breadboard over here. Now, as you can see, most breadboards have two power rails on the side. Red generally stands for positive, while blue is going to be negative in this case. Our first task is to place the three integrated circuits in line, making sure that they're in the correct orientation. This is our 555 timer. The dimple indicates pin 1. This is our OR logic gate chip. Again, there's a dimple. Now we want to bridge the power rails. Now let's add power and ground. This is the toggle switch we're going to be using, and as you can see, I've pre-wired it for a build. I've also pre-wired our two push buttons. Connect the three 10K resistors, the toggle switch, and the two push buttons. Add two wires to connect the middle 10K ohm resistor to the 555 timers. Connect the push buttons to the OR gate inputs via the white wires. Continue adding more connections between the OR gates and the logic chip. We're adding the two 0.01 microfarad ceramic disc capacitors. These go from the lower negative power rail and pin 2 of each 555 timer. Now we have to hook up the two wires to connect the ceramic disc caps back to the logic chip. Now get out your LEDs. The longer leg of the LED is the positive or anode leg. The shorter leg is the negative. Place the two red indicator LEDs and the 330 ohm resistors. Wire the LEDs to the 555 integrated circuits with the two red wires. Now I'm adding these two black wires that feed the signal from the LEDs back into the OR logic gate chip. Now we're going to add power jumper wires. Well, that's it. Now all we have to do is hook up a 6-volt power supply, and we are good to go. Great, it works. Hope you all had fun building your own game show buttons at home. For more great projects, be sure to check out makeprojects.com. But before we go, how about one more quick question? How about cat pop culture for 300?
How long is long cat?
Long cat is long.
Correct.
Great. What do I win? Nothing?